Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Big Sweep. Today we're talking about how to deep clean your toaster oven so it always looks brand new. But before we start, take a second and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. Let us know below if you have ever deep cleaned your toaster oven. A clean toaster oven is essential for several reasons. First, it ensures the quality of your food. Food particles and grease buildup can affect the taste of your meals. Nobody wants their garlic bread tasting like last week's pizza. Second, a clean toaster oven is safer. Grease and food particles can pose a fire hazard, especially when accumulated near the heating elements. Regular cleaning minimizes this risk. Finally, a clean toaster oven simply performs better. It heats up more efficiently and evenly, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection. Before you begin, gather the following essential cleaning supplies. Dish soap. A mild dish soap is perfect for cutting through grease and grime on your toaster oven. Baking soda. Baking soda is a natural cleaning agent that helps remove stubborn stains and deodorizes surfaces. White vinegar. Vinegar is another natural cleaner that helps dissolve grease, remove odors, and sanitize. Warm water. Warm water is essential for rinsing and removing soap residue, ensuring a clean finish. Non-abrasive sponges and cloths. These are important for cleaning without scratching the surfaces of your toaster oven. A small brush. A toothbrush or a small cleaning brush will come in handy for cleaning tight spaces and crevices that are hard to reach. Start with the removable parts. This is the first and most crucial step in ensuring a thorough clean. Remove the racks, crumb tray, and any other removable parts from your toaster oven. These parts often accumulate the most crumbs and grease. Wash these with warm soapy water. Make sure to scrub all the nooks and crannies to remove any stuck-on food particles. For stubborn stains, make a paste of baking soda and water and apply it to the affected areas. This natural cleaner is effective and safe for your appliance. Let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub gently and rinse thoroughly. Conquer the interior next for a complete clean. Mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle. This solution is great for cutting through grease and grime. Spray the interior walls, avoiding the heating elements. Be generous with the solution to ensure all areas are covered. Let it sit for a few minutes to loosen any baked-on food particles. This will make wiping it off much easier. Wipe clean with a damp sponge. Make sure to get into all the corners and crevices. For tougher stains, sprinkle some baking soda on a damp sponge and gently scrub the area. This will help lift any remaining grime. Tackle the heating elements with care. Never submerge the heating elements in water. This can damage them and affect the performance of your toaster oven. Instead, gently brush away any loose crumbs or debris with a soft brush. This will help maintain their efficiency. If there are stubborn stains, dampen a cloth with vinegar and carefully wipe the elements. Be gentle to avoid damaging them. Make sure they are completely dry before using the toaster oven again. This is crucial for safety. Clean the window for a clear view. Spray the inside and outside of the window with the vinegar and water solution. This will help remove any grease or fingerprints. Wipe clean with a soft cloth. Ensure there are no streaks left behind for a spotless finish. Avoid using abrasive cleaners on the window as they can scratch the surface. This will keep your window looking clear and new. Don't forget the exterior for a complete clean. Wipe down the exterior of the toaster oven with a damp cloth and a mild, soapy solution. This will remove any dust or grease buildup. Dry thoroughly with a clean cloth. This will prevent any water spots and keep your toaster oven looking shiny and new. To keep your toaster oven clean and in tip-top shape, follow these simple maintenance tips. First, wipe up spills immediately. Don't let spills sit and bake onto the surfaces, as this can make them much harder to remove later. Wipe them up as soon as they happen to maintain a clean interior. Clean the crumb tray regularly to avoid crumbs and grease buildup. Empty and wash the crumb tray after each use to prevent the buildup of crumbs and grease, which can affect the performance of your toaster oven. Schedule a deep clean. Aim to give your toaster oven a thorough cleaning every few weeks, or more often if you use it frequently. This helps in maintaining its efficiency. By following these simple cleaning and maintenance tips, you can keep your toaster oven sparkling clean and ensure it continues to serve you delicious meals for years to come. A well-maintained toaster oven not only looks good, but also performs better.